What's happening today is completing the dream, or part of it, because I always dream big. I started this vision 2 years ago when I came along something called STEM. I've always heard about it, but it became like a passion to me because I wanted to know more. So I started learning, I started studying. What is STEM? What is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics combined together, blended together, and what is the end result? So we did contact professionals because we didn't have that, but I wanted it. I wanted my students to experience this kind of education.
أنا مهندس أحمد شعبان، أنا مهندس ميكاترونكس، وإحنا عندنا تيم هنا بيشارك مع مدرسة كنانة في تدريب الأولاد على STEM. الطريقة اللي إحنا بنعلم بيها هي نفس الطريقة اللي بيستخدم في الجامعة. تيم المهندسين متدربين على التعامل مع السن المراهقين والأطفال عشان يعلموهم هندسة وكل ما هو جانب هندسة أو نظام STEM عامة داخل المدرسة بنظام يناسب السن ده.
We have around 70 projects going on today. Some of them just STEM, some of them from our science curriculum itself. So it's a combination of both because you need to see it's not just STEM. We are integrating STEM with our science curriculum. It is not different. It is an enhancement to what we already have. When we do something special, like the science fair, my students have impressed me. I'm very proud of what we are presenting, and I'm hoping we'll impress you too.
From grade 9B. First, we will talk about sports because we know that sports play an important role in our life. It controls the diabetes and the blood circulation. It also can change our mood.
My name is Aya. I'm in grade 9B. And how does it work? First thing, according to Newton's third law, for every action, there is an opposite equal reaction. Whenever you push your legs on the treadmill, it pushes you backwards with an equal force, which makes more calories burned.
First, we got the idea from our lesson in humans' impact on ecosystems in the water and marine ecosystems. And we prepared it of getting a fish tank and getting the fish, and we made growth of bacteria and how it affects the water.
The first step of the filter is to remove solid particles like dust, sand, and germs. Second step is like to take the bad taste away from the unclean water. And the last step, the third step, is to add chlorine to make the unclean water clean again.
The human impact on water is cutting coral reefs and overfishing and oil spilling. So this will affect the marine ecosystem and increase the amount of polluted water in the environment. And we need it to survive.
Today is a message, do not doubt it. This is the future. This is important. We are making your children, my students, ready for the future. They are ready for everything. They have proven that they are responsible enough to have a successful day like this, especially that we haven't had a science fair since a very, very long time. around 600 students from pre-K to grade 12 involved in this science fair, in this amazing creative day, is an accomplishment in itself. Having everyone involved is what is really amazing today. And having the projects that you're going to see today, and having them actually work, and having the students know how to make them work is what's brilliant. And this is why we're having this day. You will not have this kind of education, you will not have this kind of service anywhere else except here. You will get the best of the best, technologically, academically, future-wise, knowledge-wise. You will not find it except here in International Schools of Kenana, American Division. Thank you.